In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw from Vantage. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to vantagemarkets.com and then log into your account. Now once from here you'll need to go down to the total asset estimate, where you'll be able to see an estimate of your total assets right here. Once from here you'll need to go right underneath that, and the second option will be withdrawal. Once from here you'll simply need to click on that, and once from here you'll start the request withdrawal. Once from here you'll simply need to go over to and complete your verification, or else you will not be able to request any withdrawals from your accounts. Once you have completed your verification, you'll need to go down to the account section and choose your specific account that you want to withdraw money from. Once from here you'll need to choose the amount you want to withdraw, and then from here you'll need to click continue. Now from here you'll need to select the withdrawal method, where you can either choose your bank, crypto, or any other that Vantage supports. Just click on that and fill in the information, and then within the next couple of bank days your withdrawal will be success. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!